my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah. So
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Tay back with another video. Today's video is really quick, how to show you to wash your hair and twist. I got some wide tooth combs, a microfiber towel, some clips, and a spray bottle. Then the shampoo and conditioner I'm using is apple cider vinegar along with some smoothing cream and heat protectant. So let's jump right into the video. I'm going to start by spraying my hair and sectioning off into twists. The twist could be about medium to large size, but as long as the twists are not big enough to unravel. So I'm just going to spray each section with water and then work my comb from the ends up to the roots. That is the safest way to detangle your hair. So this part is the most important. Take some shampoo and apply only to the roots of your hair. Applying to the roots first helps gain easy access to the scalp. Also, washing your hair and twist helps keep the process much more easier to detangle in the end. Step number 2 is conditioner, and of course I'm going to be smoothing it all over my hair, including my scalp, to make sure everything's nice and hydrated. And for today, I'm going to use this as a deep conditioner. I really need to re-up on my deep conditioners, but this is going to have to do the job for now. That's it for this video, y'all. Let me know how this method works for you, and if you want to see the next part on how to detangle, blow dry, and style your natural 4C hair, let me know in the comments. Till then, share this video with a friend, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!